Neptown Tuner here. Like and subscribe. I'm working on my custom intake manifold, integrated engineering intake manifold, and the next step was to transfer all this wiring. There's a evap purge valve line that has to go in there, and then I got to transfer this throttle body. But I got to thinking, can I put a bigger throttle body on here? This manifold will fit a bigger throttle body. Let me show you this engine I got sitting over here. My garage is a mess right now. I need to clean it. It's always getting cleaned and then getting messy, getting cleaned and then getting messy, right? Anyway, the throttle body that I took off this 3.2 liter Q5 engine is quite a bit larger than this 2 liter throttle body. And it got me thinking, what's different about it? Because they look the same. Some of these are made by Bosch. This one is a Continental off the 2 liter, and then the one that came off here was, I'll have to show you. Looks like this Q5 throttle body is a Siemens. Here's the part number. But they bolt upright. The bolts for this one are longer, and then I just popped this off just to see how this operates. And it doesn't really look like anything too fancy. You pop this cover off right here. First off, the plugs are the exact same from this engine to the 2 liter. And then we just have this gear right here that pulls out. And this is the motor that adjusts it. It's just simply a motor. This is just a spring that operates this throttle. And then it looks like this part right here just has a sensor mechanism built into it. So I made sure that the bigger throttle body fit on my manifold. Let's go out to the vehicle because I tested it. So here we are. This is what I did to test it. This is my original throttle body right here, original manifold, and this is the integrated engineering manifold. I just set it right here, disconnected my original connector for that throttle body, put it in here, and I just want to see if it sweeps through its range. I want to see if it works properly. And if it works properly and sweeps through its range, it shouldn't need any tuning or anything. It's just a larger throttle body plate. And if you can see the difference in size, it's a huge difference in size. And it actually does fit perfectly inside here. Let me open this blade here and show you. See this rim right around here? I can trim that to the appropriate size, but this manifold was actually cut bigger than this original throttle body anyway, so it fits with the gasket and everything. So by the time I trim that, that'll be a nice modification because it apparently works. Let me, I don't have an extra person here, but let me jump in this vehicle and operate this throttle and show you. So I got my ignition switch in the on position. Let me zoom in here a little bit for you. See that? That's how fast the throttle opens too, just so you can know for reference. I'm stomping the pedal. So that's pretty fast throttle operation. There's this thing called a sprint booster, or something that's supposed to make your throttle plate open faster. I don't really know that you're gonna get a very much faster response than that, because that's pretty quick. So I'm kind of stoked about being able to run a bigger throttle body. Tell me what you think. I should not need any tuning for that, like I said.